To begin, access the provided CORE1 software CD on your computer and double-click on Installer. Advance through the installation process by clicking Next. The Microsoft.NET Window Component installation will appear. Please proceed by accepting the terms and clicking Next. This component is required to display the graphs of the CORE1 software. Now is the time to establish communication between the CORE1 and the computer. But before connecting the CORE1 to one of the computer's USB ports, some precautions must be taken. Make sure that the CORE1 software has been successfully installed as per the steps described. By doing so, the Windows should automatically install the correct drivers, avoiding the necessity of doing it manually. Turn on your head unit and put the volume all the way down to the minimum. Wait for the CORE1 initialization process to complete, which normally takes about 10 seconds. Please observe if any of the LEDs are blinking. If that's the case, please check your battery voltage. It must be above 11.5 volts. Because the connection between the CORE1 and the computer is very data intensive, please utilize the provided USB cable. If you don't have it anymore, make sure you find a good quality shielded USB cable with length of less than 10 feet. A bad USB cable can cause the CORE1 to freeze. Lastly, please do not use a USB cable extension. As soon as you connect the USB cable, the Windows should automatically install the correct device driver, named USB serial port. Wait for completion. Open the CORE1 software, find the COM port and click Connect. Now you're ready to enjoy! If during the automatic device driver installation process you see a name different from USB serial port, it means that the Windows failed to install the correct device driver. In this case, the necessary COM port won't be listed on the CORE1 software. Let me guide you through a simple workaround. Please access the Device Manager. Look for the category Other Devices. You will see a device listed with a yellow exclamation point. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver Software. Choose Browse my computer for driver software. Click on Browse and find the Program Files x86/Massive Audio/Driver folder. Click Next and wait for completion. Done! Now you can find the COM port listed. Go back to the CORE1 software and find the COM port listed as you normally would. Click Connect. All done!